exactly what's being done to him, but finding it difficult to stop. Now the turn and arm throw attempt from the Kyrgyz wrestler, and he's an onslaught from Zakriyev, but no more. And he has the first score. Zakriyev is gonna... And Zakriyev now has to go back to an underhook on the left, fighting for a step out again. He won the European U20 title as well. Mizalayev has been a U17 Asian champion in the past. First round. Kyrgyz flag waving in the background for Jantörö Mirzaliev. And he's stepping though increasing, he's dogged Zakriyev. Hunting Mizalayev around the mat. Daggers around. So too though Zakriyev, that's going to be a new world champion. It's Jantörö Mirzaliev, and he's won it against the world champion from last year.